Clouds rolled in, but we didn't care. Gray sky